Hi! Welcome to my class. Our topic for today is about angles of polygons. But before we proceed, I would like to share you something about the most important factor here in UAE. Do you know that the Emirati are extremely close to their families? To the immediate and extended one as well. They usually live in close proximities, sharing the same compound of houses, or at least being close to one another. The UAE knows this is best. That is why President His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan has always stressed that family solidity is a national part of focus in the UAE. Families here in UAE remain a key priority for all government projects, strategies, and policies. That is why the UAE Cabinet, chaired by Vice President and Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, launched a national campaign entitled Cohesive Family 2021. This is to strengthen family ties and endorse the family's core role in preserving the identity and culture of the society. It can also be recalled that in a move to significantly boost worldwide family values, Her Highness Sheikha Fatima bint Mubarak, chairwoman of the General Women's Union, Supreme Chairwoman of the Family Development Foundation, and President of the Supreme Council for Motherhood and Childhood, she unveiled an initiative to launch a worldwide family forum in 2007. If all the rulers in the world are the same as the rulers here in Emirati, then the world would be a better place to live in because they are giving importance to the families. May all the graces and the blessings be given to the rulers who are giving importance to families. I just want to share you my gratitude to the rulers who are giving importance to the family. That is why I have taken it up here. May all the blessings and graces be given to them, because they are working hard to keep a close family ties here in UAE. Now guys, let us go to our main topic. We are going to find the measure of the interior and exterior angles of polygons. The polygon interior angle sum. A diagonal of a polygon is a line segment that connects any two non-consecutive vertices. You can see a triangle here. It has three sides and one triangle. So the sum of the interior angle measures 1 times 180. You can see a rectangle here which is a quadrilateral that has 4 sides and 2 triangles. The sum of the interior angle measures 180 times 2, which will give us 360. The figure is a pentagon with 5 sides and 3 triangles. The sum of the interior angle measures 3 times 180, which will give us 540. A hexagon has 6 sides and 4 triangles. The sum of the interior angle measures 4 times 180 is equal to 720. An n-gon has an n number of sides and the number of triangle is n minus 2. So the sum of the interior angle measures n minus 2 times 180. Theorem 11.1 is a polygon interior angle sum. The sum of the interior angle measures an n-sided polygon is n minus 2 times 180. You can see in the figures that we have 6 angles and 6 sides. Now we are going to add all the measures of the angles, which will give us 6 minus 2 times 180. 6 minus 2 is 4 times 180. It will give us 720. I want you to remember the name of the polygons. If we have 3 sides, it is a triangle. 4 sides, quadrilateral. 5 sides, pentagon. 6 sides, hexagon. 7 sides, heptagon. 8 sides, octagon. 9 sides, nonagon. 10 sides, decagon. 11 sides, hendecagon. 12 sides, dodecagon. And n sides, n-gon. Let us work on this example. Find the measure of each interior angle of the quadrilateral. Find the x and the measure of each angle. You can see from the figure that we have 4 angles. The sum of the interior angle therefore is 4 minus 2 times 180 is equal to 360. The sum of all the interior angle is equal to 360, which are the measures of angle B, the measure of angle E, the measure of angle S, and the measure of angle T. Substituting all the values in the given equation, 360 is equal to 90 plus 90 plus x plus 4x. We are going to combine like terms, which will give us 360 is equal to 90 plus 90 plus x plus 4x. 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 and x plus 4x is equal to 5x. Therefore, 360 is equal to 180 plus 5x. To eliminate 180 on the right side, we are going to subtract 180 on both sides. 360 minus 180 is equal to 180. This is equal to 5x. To eliminate 5 on the right side, we are going to divide both sides by 5. And we can come up with x is equal to 36. To counter-check, we are going to add all the interior angles. The measure of angle B is 90. The measure of angle E is 90 also. The measure of angle S, which is equal to x, is equal to 36. And the measure of angle T is equal to 4x. Therefore, 4 times 36, it will give us 144. To substitute all the values in the given equation, it will give us 90 plus 90 plus 36 plus 144. That will be equal to 360. Therefore, x, which is 36, is correct. Let us work on this example. The measure of an interior angle of a regular polygon is 140. Find the number of sides in the polygon. What is the name of the polygon? Let n be the number of the sides of the polygon. Remember, all the sides of the regular polygon are equal. So, the sum of the interior angle is equal to 140n. And the sum of the interior angle measures n minus 2 times 180. To solve for the values of n, 140n is equal to n minus 2 times 180. Using the distributive property on the right side, n times 180 is 180n. And 2 times 180 is 360. Therefore, we can come up with the equation 140n is equal to 180n minus 360. To eliminate 180 on the right side, we are going to subtract both sides by 180n. 140n minus 180n, it will give us negative 40n, which is equal to negative 360. To eliminate negative 40 on the left side, we are going to divide both sides by negative 40. And negative 360 divided by negative 40, it will give us positive 9. So the number of sides in the polygon is 9. Since the polygon has 9 sides, therefore it is a nonagon. Now let us move to Theorem 11.2, Polygon Exterior Angle Sum. The sum of the exterior angle measures of a convex polygon, one angle at each vertex is equal to 360. So, the sum of all the exterior angle is equal to 360. Let us work on this example. Find the value of x in the diagram. Find the measure of each exterior angles. We have 4 exterior angles here, which is equal to 360. So, substituting the values, 90 plus 155 plus 3x plus 8x is equal to 360. To combine like terms, 90 plus 155 plus 3x plus 8x, it will give us 360. 90 plus 155 will give us 245. 3x plus 8x will give us 11x. Therefore, 245 plus 11x is equal to 360. To eliminate 245 on the left side, we are going to subtract 245 on both sides. So, 360 minus 245, it will give us 115. Therefore, 11x is equal to 115. To eliminate 11 on the left side, we are going to divide both sides by 11. Therefore, 115 divided by 11, it will give us 10.45. X is equal to 10.45. To find the measurement of 3x, 3 times 10.45, it will give us 31.35 degrees. And to find the measurement of 8x, 8 times 10.45, it will give us 83.6 degrees. Let's work on another example. Find the value of x in the diagram. Find the measure of each exterior angles. The sum of the exterior angle is always equal to 360. So we are going to add all the exterior angles. Combining like terms, x plus 2x plus x and 11 minus 35 plus 31 minus 13 is equal to 360. To simplify, it will give us 4x plus minus 6 is equal to 360. To eliminate negative 6 on the left side, we are going to add 6 on both sides. 360 plus 6 is 366. Therefore, 4x is equal to 366. To eliminate 4 on the left side, we are going to divide both sides by 4. Therefore, 366 divided by 4, x is 91.5 degrees. To substitute 91.5 on x plus 11, it will give us 102.5 degrees. And on 2x minus 35, it will give us 145. On x minus 13, it will give us 78.5. If we add up all the exterior angles and it will give us 360, x, which is equal to 91.5, is correct. So, 102.5 plus 148 plus 78.5 plus 31, that is equal to 360. Therefore, our answer is correct. To wrap it up, Theorem 11.1 is the polygon interior angle sum. The sum of the interior angle measures an n-sided polygon is n minus 2 times 180. Remember, add up all the measures of the interior angle, it will equal to the number of sides minus 2 times 180. And Theorem 11.2 is the polygon exterior angle sum. The sum of the exterior angle measures of a convex polygon, one angle at each vertex, is equal to 360. So, you are going to add up all the exterior angles and this is equal to 360. Okay, I will never stop reminding you what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. Whenever you have confusion on some part of the lesson, just go back. Revise it again and I know you will get it. Math will always be easy for those who are studying. Till next lesson. Bye-bye!